Hey guys, welcome back to Good Enough Builds. I'm Travis, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to blue your two-stroke pipe. As you can see here, I blued my pipe on my KTM, and I can do the same for you. Let's get into it. Before we start with any of the polishing process, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to take the exhaust off the bike, and then we're going to want to clean it. Soap and water, and then we can start with the polish. So let's get to that. Now that you have both of those springs off and both of these two nuts off, what we're going to do is we're going to take the pipe from right here and we're going to slide it outward to remove the pipe from the bike. And then we can start the polishing process. Alright, now that we've got everything set up, we're just going to start taking the pipe off the bike. Now once we have the pipe taken off of your bike and my bike, we're going to bring it inside, we're going to start cleaning it up, and then we're going to start waxing and polishing. Now after I took the pipe off the bike, I used soap and water and I scrubbed that into the pipe, getting it in there really good and cleaning as much as possible. After I did that, I used a rag and I cleaned the pipe off, and after the pipe was clean, I dipped my fingers in that aluminum wax there and I just lathered it on the pipe. Now that I got all the wax thoroughly on the pipe, what I did is I used the buffing wheel attachment on the drill and just got it in and worked it in as much as possible. So now that we've applied and we've buffed our first layer of wax, we're going to wipe it off with a rag and we're going to start on our second layer. With the second layer, all we're going to do here is we're going to apply the wax onto the pipe thoroughly and then wipe it off with a rag. Alright boys and girls, we got the first layer of wax on and off. We got the second layer of wax on and off, Daniel son.
Wax on, wax on.
Now we're ready to start bluing the pipe. Before I start bluing the pipe and show you guys how to do that, all I can ask of you guys is just to leave a simple like down at the bottom of this video, and it really helps out. Thank you much. Enjoy the rest of the video. Alright, now we can start bluing the pipe. For this, I used a butane torch. That's what you're going to see here in this video that's actually colored in yellow. Now I think I did pretty good for this being my first time bluing a pipe, but there are a few tips and tricks that I'd like to share with you guys that you guys can avoid on the way. The first tip or trick I have for you guys is when you start laying your heat down on the pipe, on the joints, or wherever you want to blue the pipe, you only want to get to the pipe to a dark red color. Now on mine, I actually got some in a lighter red color, which I'll show you, and it turned more of a silverish and some of it even a brownish color. So with that being said, when you're putting heat on your pipe, you want to get it to a dark red, but not a red glowing color. Now, be careful not to burn yourself and use pliers or any other hand tools that you have to move around the pipe while you're doing all this, because the pipe does get very hot and you can get burned doing so. Alright guys, we're coming to the end of another how-to video. The rest of the video here is just going to be a time-lapse of me applying the heat to my pipe and getting that blue effect on it. Please, if you guys want to see some more videos, subscribe for more. If you like the video, hit that like button. And hey, if you guys are working on something cool, leave it in the comment section. See you next time. Did you subscribe yet? Did you subscribe yet? Did you hit the button? Smash that button!